Are electric cars really better for the planet? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that's changing the way we drive. Electric vehicles, or EVs. From Teslas to Rivians, EVs are everywhere. But are they really better for the planet? Let's find out. First, let's talk about emissions. EVs produce zero tailpipe emissions, which means they don't pollute the air while driving. That's a huge win for cities with smog problems. But what about the batteries? It's true. Making electric vehicle batteries requires a lot of energy and resources like lithium and cobalt. However, studies show that over their lifetime, electric vehicles are still cleaner than gas-powered cars, especially as we switch to renewable energy. Plus, electric vehicles are super fun to drive. They have instant torque, which means they accelerate super fast. And with fewer moving parts, they're cheaper to maintain. But there are challenges too, like charging infrastructure and battery recycling. Still, the future looks bright for electric vehicles. So, would you switch to an electric car? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more eco-friendly tech content. See you in the next video.